All right, guys, so we're in Granbury, Texas. This is where our Dublin Dr. Pepper overland adventure is going to start. It's a great launching point for anything over here in the like North Texas area if you want to go west. There's just a lot of good roads out there for both motorcycling and overlanding. So anyway, we got the Gaia app going. We put the route up on Gaia. I don't remember what it's on. What's it under?
It's under Mudbug Adventures.
There you go. So you can follow along with us or take your trip for yourself and enjoy it. We did manage to get about 90% of the route on gravel or dirt roads, so really happy about that, considering we don't have any public land here like Bureau of Land Management areas, so we got to be real careful about privatized land and not trespassing. So before we leave, we wanted to get the snowman here in Granbury, Texas. It is Christmas time, early December, and it's going to be 73 degrees today, but so yeah, sand snowman. So Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you enjoy the video. Hitting the first of the gravel roads pretty soon, and then that'll be what we go for the next 100 miles or 90 miles, I think. All right, everybody, and this is where the road ends, and we start the gravel portion of the overland adventure to Dublin, Texas, where we're going to the Dr. Pepper Museum. So this is really cool. We got cows all over the place. We got a llama out here. So we're on like another phase here. We just came off the little stretch of paved road, just about a quarter mile to hit our next gravel road. It's a beautiful view up there.
Hopefully you guys can see that out in the field. We've got several mama cows and their calves, and that one is nursing.
All right, so we stopped to take some video, you know, outside the Jeep. Just kind of get an idea of what we're looking at. I mean, it's been a great trip, man. All these dirt roads. We've gone 60 miles now on gravel roads, dirt roads, some water crossings. Saw some great views. This is, you know, the outback of North Texas, I guess you could say. It's the best we're going to be able to do as far as like overlanding and seeing a whole lot because of all the privatization of land. All right, so that was the trip to get to Dublin Bottling Works. We showed you some pictures of you know, the old bottling works. We did tour, but we're gonna let you see the tour, let you take the trip and come out here and do that part for yourself. So anyways, hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you enjoy your trip when you come out here. And as always, be sure and visit mudbugadventures.com.